If you want to skip the whole intro, just go to the chapter marker below where it will take you exactly to where I start showing you what to do when the transition doesn't want to go into the timeline or where you want to put it. Hello, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since last time I posted something here. It has been super busy lately, but here I come with another short video on how to do a transition in Final Cut Pro when the transition just doesn't want to go into the timeline where you want to put it. It took me a while to figure it out. I couldn't find much information on the internet, so I decided to make a video about it and help other people out there. I am not a Final Cut Pro professional by any means. I just like to do some video editing for fun, record my vacations, my getaways, and have memories in YouTube. By the way, you can check my other channel. It is in Spanish, but I guess you can get the hang of it for travel stuff. You don't have to understand, you just get to see the views, the places, and everything. Again, I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for visiting my channel. Here I have a couple of videos that I recorded in my most recent vacation in Mexico. Here, as you can see, I have got my video right here. Actually, there are two different clips in there. Okay, two different clips. I will show you how by dropping one of my transition options from the menus on my right side of the screen, see, it doesn't really want to go in there where the clip is cut. See, it doesn't want to go in there either. So if I just drop it in there, it will give me that notification stating that it basically can go there, but I can force it by telling it to create a transition, and it will do that. The problem with that is it doesn't really go at the end of each clip. So if you so the trick right here is to double click on the transition portion. Let me double click, and so you can see right there. If you double click on it, then you can adjust which specific part of the video clips you can use for the transition. You can make it shorter. You can see on the left side right there, you're basically wasting some of that video clip, and the same thing for the video clip on the upper portion of it. So the trick right here is to drag it over so you can use the very last bit of that clip for the transition, and you can do the same thing for the bottom clip right there. At that point, you're not wasting any footage. You're basically using the very end of each clip. Now if you double click on the transition again, it will go back to normal, and right there you now just basically created a transition where the transition didn't want to go in there. Just for fun, we'll drop another transition in here. See, it doesn't want to go in there, so we'll drop it anyways. Click create. We'll do the same thing. If you want to use like a different portion of the video clip, you can drag it like this. You can do the same thing right here as well, or you can cut the video clip, but that's another option. Don't click on it, and there you have it. Super simple, but it's something I couldn't find on the internet, so I decided to make a short video on this to help other people. Again, I just do video editing for fun, to record my vacation, my getaways with my family, and record my memories. So if this short video helped you out, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like and comment on the video, and maybe suggest something else that you would like to learn about Final Cut Pro. Maybe it's something I already know and I can teach you, or maybe it's something that you can teach me. So see you next time.